Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 08 of the video lecture series 3-dimensional geometry. Have you ever come across the questions like find the foot of perpendicular, find the image of a point on a plane? Yes, definitely we are going to solve these type of questions in just 30 seconds. If you follow the normal regular method, it will take near about 10 minutes to solve that question, but with this video, we're going to solve the question in just 30 seconds. Let's first understand what is the foot of perpendicular and the image of a point on a plane. Suppose you have a plane here and suppose you have a point A which is having x1, y1 and z1 coordinates. What is the image or the foot of perpendicular is? See, if you draw a perpendicular from A and suppose this intersect at M on this plane P, this M becomes the foot of perpendicular. This M becomes the foot of perpendicular, and suppose this is at a distance D, and if you move the same distance on the opposite side, you will get some another point which is known as an image or the reflection of the point A. So we have to find out the coordinates of this M and A. So this is nothing but foot and this is nothing but the image of a point. Okay, so let's start how to find out these two. So first of all, we'll find out the foot of perpendicular. Find the foot of perpendicular of a point 7, 14, 5 on a plane 2x plus 4y minus z equals to 2. So what to do? See, first what we'll do, let alpha, beta and gamma are the coordinates of foot of perpendicular M. So let's have the image again, small image. Okay, this is M and this is suppose A point and this is A. So what is our trick says is, first of all write down the equation of AM. The equation of AM will be what? It is alpha minus 7 upon the direction ratio of this AM. From where you will get the direction ratio of AM? Sir, from the equation of plane, because we know these the direction ratios are nothing but the normal direction ratio and this AM is nothing but the normal to the plane. So the direction ratio of the line becomes 2, 4 and minus 1. So alpha minus 7 by 2, it is equals to beta minus 14 by 4 equals to gamma minus 5 upon minus 1. ये हो गया इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. Now this is equals to minus of, write down the equation of plane as it is. So it is 2x plus 4y minus z minus 2 divided by square of the direction ratios. So 2 square plus 4 square plus minus 1 square. That's it. This will give you the answer. How? Let's see. First solve this RHS, and this RHS will be always a simplified form. Like, now what will be the values of x, y and z? Just substitute the values of x, y, z, these values. Substitute x, y, z as the given point. So it becomes minus 2 into 7 plus 4 into 14 minus 1 into 5 and minus 2 whole divided by 2 square is 4 plus 16 plus 1, which is equals to minus into bracket 7 14 plus 56 minus it is 5 and it is minus 2 divided by, so it is 21, which is equals to what you will get is 14 minus 7 is 7, 56 plus 7 is 63 divided by 21. So we have minus sign, which is equals to minus 3. Okay, which is equals to minus 3. Means what? This part is equals to minus 3. this part is equals to minus 3. So see, this is equals to minus 3, this is equals to minus 3, and this is equals to minus 3. So can we find out the values of alpha, beta, gamma? Yes, definitely. So alpha minus 7 by 2 equals to minus 3 implies alpha becomes what? It is minus 6 plus 7, which is equals to 1. Beta minus 14 by 4 equals to minus 3 implies beta becomes minus 12 plus 14, which is equals to 2. And for the third one, gamma minus 5 upon minus 1, which is equals to minus 3 implies gamma is equals to plus 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. So what are the coordinates of point M? So this is nothing but 1, 2, 8. That's it. So this is the simplest way you can find the foot of a perpendicular. So for explaining, it is taking this much time, but if you solve it on your own, it will not take more than 30 seconds. So let's try to solve the second one. So the image of a point, so the formula remains same, just so the what will be the formula is alpha minus 7 by 2 equals to beta minus 14 by 4 equals to gamma minus 5 by minus 1. It is equals to, in previous case we have minus 1 here, now you have minus 2, because you know the image and the foot are what? They are at the same distance. That's why we have to multiply by 2 here. It is into, what is the equation of the plane? It is 2 into 7 plus 4 into 14 plus, sorry, it is minus 1 into 5 and minus 2 whole divided by, so it is 2 square is 4 plus 16 plus 1. So what is the difference between previous and this question is only this. In previous case you had here plus 1 and in this case you are having 2. That's it. Everything remains same. So what will be the term at this side is, it is minus 2 into, this was previously 3. Okay, so this becomes minus 6. So now again you check, cross check these things and you get the values of alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha minus 7 by 2 equals to minus 6 implies alpha is equals to what? It is minus 12 plus 7, which is nothing but minus 5. Okay, next is beta minus 14 by 4 equals to minus 6, which is beta is equals to minus 24 plus 14, which is equals to what? It is minus 10. And for gamma minus 5 upon minus 1 is equals to minus 6 implies gamma is equals to 6 plus 5, which is 11. So what is the image of a point? Image के coordinates क्या होंगे? So suppose this is a dash, so the coordinates will be what? Minus 5, minus 10, 11. So these are the coordinates of a image of a point, okay, across the plane. So isn't it so simple? So if you solve on your own, it should not take more than 30 to 40 seconds. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. 2 सेकंड लगते हैं हिट करने के लिए. शेयर करो with your friends and family. Comment करो how you find this shortcut trick. And let's subscribe to get more videos based on the various topics which will be very helpful for your competitive examinations. Thank you.